Ever wanted to create a website without revealing who you are? Whether it's for activism, whistleblowing, personal freedom, or just privacy-conscious blogging. Staying anonymous online is getting harder, but not impossible. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a truly anonymous website, step by step. From choosing the right domain and hosting to using privacy tools, I'll break it all down in a simple, beginner-friendly way. So if your goal is total online anonymity, stick around. This video is exactly what you need. Hey everyone, this is Nick, and welcome back to ABC Hosting, your go-to place for web hosting tips, privacy-focused setups, and everything in between. I'm super excited for today's topic because digital privacy is something we all need to take seriously. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I drop weekly content that helps you build, protect, and grow your online presence, anonymously, securely, and smartly. Let's dive right into the process of building your fully anonymous website. Step 1. Use a privacy-focused browser and VPN. Before doing anything else, always use a trusted VPN and a privacy browser like Tor or Brave. This helps mask your IP address and protects your real identity from your very first step. Never register or access your site setup without VPN on. That's rule number 1. Step 2. Buy a domain anonymously. Here's the catch. Buying a domain name often requires personal details. To stay anonymous, go for domain registrars that accept crypto payments and don't require personal verification. Also, make sure they offer WHUI's privacy protection by default. Popular anonymous registrars include Njala, created by the guys from Pirate Bay, Namecheap, with crypto and WHOI's protection, Orange Website. Step 3. Choose a hosting provider that supports anonymity. Now here's the core part, hosting. You need a provider that doesn't ask for ID, accepts crypto payments, respects your privacy, doesn't take down your site over DMCA complaints, and honestly, 99% of mainstream hosting providers fail this test. But don't worry, I'll share a solid recommendation in just a moment. Step 4. Use anonymous email. Use an encrypted email provider like ProtonMail, Tutanota, or CTemplar for domain registration and communication. Never use your personal Gmail or Outlook. That just defeats the purpose. Step 5. Build your website with privacy in mind. Now, when it comes to building the actual website, use open-source CMS like WordPress or Ghost. Avoid Google Analytics and trackers. Use privacy-first alternatives like Plausible, Matomo, or no analytics at all. And always host your site on servers located in offshore, privacy-friendly countries. Step 6. Enable HTTPS and security features. Even on an anonymous website, security matters. Use Let's Encrypt for free SSL. It encrypts communication between your server and visitors. Also use security plugins or firewalls to protect your site from attacks. Now, if you're wondering, where do I find a hosting provider that checks all the boxes? Let me share something I personally use and recommend. QloudHost. QloudHost is literally a game changer when it comes to creating a fully anonymous website. They offer 100% DMCA ignored hosting, so your content stays online no matter what. No ID verification, your identity is safe. Crypto payments, including Bitcoin and other coins. Offshore servers in privacy-friendly locations like the Netherlands and Moldova. Fast, reliable support that actually respects your freedom. And honestly, as a real user, I can tell you, the experience has been smooth. I've launched privacy-heavy projects on QloudHost, and they've never disappointed. No takedowns, no questions, just real freedom. If your goal is to build something truly anonymous and untouchable, QloudHost is your best bet. You'll find their link down in the description. Trust me, it's worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, please like it. It really helps the channel grow and lets me make more content like this. Also, share this video with someone who's planning to start an anonymous project. They'll thank you for it. And don't forget to subscribe to ABC Hosting for more tutorials, hosting reviews, and privacy tools you can actually use. All right. That's all for today's video on how to create a truly anonymous website. I hope you feel more confident and ready to take action. Remember, Your freedom online is worth protecting. Stay safe, stay private, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and peace out.